often ask me, how do I make a mask fit better if you have a smaller face like I do? Because if you put on a typical medical mask like this, you'll see oftentimes it's kind of bulky over here or under here if you have a smaller face. So there's two very simple strategies that I'll show you now. So one is you can just cross it. So if you put your normal mask on, instead of putting the loops like this, you take it off and you turn it like that to make a cross. It's now going to be a lot better fitting to your face. But you could do even better. Take your mask, you bring the two edges together here, and you make a knot as close to the mask as you can, like that. And like that. And then if you take this side and you pucker it in, take your corner and you tuck it in. So now you can see the shape of the mask is much more cylindrical, sort of like an N95 mask. And then if you put it on, and the ear loops go like that, you can see it's a lot tighter fit and tighter here, and then you can fit the nose like that, and you're gonna get a much, much better seal. If you're someone that wears glasses, this will also be a lot better to prevent it from fogging up. So knot here, tuck in the sides, and you got a much more comfortable, much better fitting mask. Stay healthy.